How to add presets in Soundation. First of all, open Soundation and create a new project or choose an existing one. Once you are inside the studio, look at the left hand side of the screen where you will see the channel rack. Each channel here represents an instrument or audio track. Next, click on the instrument track where you want to apply a preset. If you haven't added any instrument yet, just press the Add Channel button and select an instrument from the list. Now, after selecting the instrument, go to the bottom left side and click on the Edit. This will show you a variety of built-in presets available for that specific instrument. Scroll through the list and click on any preset to instantly apply it to your channel. Once applied, you can start playing the virtual keyboard or enter notes in the piano roll to hear how the preset sounds. If you want to tweak it further, use the knobs and controls provided within the instrument to customize your sound. If you are using Soundation Premium, you will also get access to a wider range of advanced presets which can really help level up your music production. And that's it. Now you know how to add presets in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.